The agrarian community, Igoshodi Nigbemaba, was really thrown into crisis over a leadership tussle. Peace has now been fully restored and strengthened with the installation of a new Odionwere or Eldest man in the community by Ahanor following the intervention of His Royal Majesty Omonobane Ewuare II. There was jubilation and celebration in the community on Tuesday after the successful installation of Ahanor as the authentic Odionwere of Igueshodin Nigbemaba. Elders, women and youths, friends and well-wishers from neighboring communities rode out their drums to honor the new Odionwere.
If you know you have anything, business, transaction in this community, Igueshodin Nigbemaba, you are free to come. We welcome everybody. We are lovely people and we accommodate people.
Thank you, Omonobane, for what the victory you have given to us. We are all happy. We are rejoicing.
Ahanor thanked Oba of Benin, Ewuare II, for the confidence reposed in him to administer the community and promised to be fair and equitable in justice and other community affairs. The Ozukbo giver, or second in command, Pamatu Igbenosu, also expressed his gratitude to the people of the community and the Oba of Benin, Ewuare II, for restoring peace to the area.
Ikeka bokpon won ba Ewuare nupo giver we ijole no gwima uyewo na ezo no ti aro ona jole ya yi ewo na ye pere.
Natives of the community, guests and well-wishers sang and danced in joy. From Igoshodi Nigbemaba community in Ovia North East local government area of Edo State, Donald Ehimiyein, ITV News.